Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, students. So in last class we discussed about Van der Waals equation. You should remember that one. Okay. And we started molecular speeds right now.
Sir, in that RMS velocity completed, sir.
Huh?
RMS velocity.
Uh, the first one RMS velocity is finished, and second one is a
Average velocity.
molecular speeds. RMS velocity. So generally represent with mu RMS. Okay. So what is a URMS? Equal to
Root
square root
V1 square plus
mean square of squares of mean of squares of the velocities of all gas molecules divided by n1 plus n2 plus n1. Okay, and calculation. How to calculate that? URMS equal to
root 3RT by M.
3RT by m. 3RT by m, which is equal to
PV equal to RT, then root
3PV by
3 by
m. 3PV by m. Okay, and also which is equal to the root of 3PV by d. Right now, because d is proportional to m.
X, sir, M proportional to D.
So that is under root of 3PV by d. If you are taking the ratio of RMS velocity of any two gases, okay, so then u1 by u2 equal to u1 by u2 equal to, how to write here? If it is constant temperature, then it will be depending upon their molecular weights. So u1 by u2 equal to a constant temperature means R constant to 3 constant to, it is inversely proportional to root m. So then it will be depending upon the molecular weights m2 by m1. It is at a constant heat.
Temperature.
Constant heat. So like this, you have to derive the formulas. Okay, then?
Done, sir.
And if it is not constant temperature, just you are calculating ratio of the RMS velocities. Then what is that? U1 by U2 equal to the root of R constant to 3 constant. Then you will get T1 by T2 into M2 by M1. U1 by U2 equal to the root of T1 by T2 into M2 by M1. Okay, and similarly here also PV by yeah. Okay, and similarly for this formula also you can write PV by D, P1 V1 by D1, right? Now, so for understanding purpose, I given for this formula. So mostly they will ask this by depending upon this formula only. Okay. So sometimes they will ask this one. If it is a constant pressure for a fixed amount of volume, then it will be under root of m2 by m1. And second one is average. So average velocity uv. Write down that definition. Average velocity, the mean of velocities of mean means arithmetic mean. Okay, arithmetic means average velocity. Generally, the two velocities you have v1 and v2. Then what is the average velocity of any that object? v1 plus v2 by 2.
1 plus V2.
So like that here also average velocity of gas molecules will take. In physics you learn no average velocity v1 plus v2 by 2. Like that.
Sir, repeat once more definition, sir.
I not finished that one definition. Okay, so now you write the average velocity, the arithmetic mean of velocities of gas molecules, is known as average velocity.
So the arithmetic mean of velocities of
Gas molecules. If the board is blur, wait. Yes, it is due to network problem, no? Don't worry, it will come. Just wait 1 or 2 seconds. So then, what is the average velocity we can write? Generally, it is represented with UAV. Okay. So UAV can be represented with also U bar. U bar average velocity. Okay. So that U bar is equal to V1 plus V2 plus up to Vn divided by N1 plus N2 plus and so on. Okay, velocities of N number of gas molecules divided by total number of gas molecules. Then you will get the average velocity.
They write a little dark and big, sir.
Okay.
Board is blurred, sir.
Yes, sir.
Calculation of average velocity. Calculation of average velocity. U bar is equal to the root of 2RT by n. Sorry, root of 8RT by n. 8RT by 5n. Where R is gas constant, T is absolute temperature, M is molecular mass or molecular weight of the gas. Here also, if you are comparing the velocities, average velocities of any two gas molecules, then what is that? U1 bar by U2 bar is equal to 8 is constant, gas constant, phi is constant. Then what you will get here? The root of T1 by T2 into M2 by M1. So here also same formula I am getting you see. So that means the velocities are depending upon temperature and its molecular weight. If the constant temperature is there, the velocity is inversely proportional to its molar mass. Okay. So if at different temperatures for a particular mass, of the any gas,
Sir.
the
Sir, the
average
board is
velocity.
blurred, sir.
What is blurred?
Yes, sir.
Now okay.
Sir,
So now it's okay, sir. No, sir. Again, it became blurred, sir.
Reading. Okay, Raman?
Sir, now it's okay.
Down. Third one, probable velocity. Velocity. The definition
sir, that is UMP.
MP, most probable velocity. The maximum fraction of definition you write the maximum fraction of
Sir, you are muted, sir. Sir, you are
Muted, sir.
muted, sir.
okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down. The maximum fraction of gas molecules possessing velocity. Maximum fraction of gas molecules possessing velocity is known as is known as is known as most probable velocity. Okay, so here the most probable velocity nu mp equal to the root of 2 RT by m. Nu mp equal to under root of 2 RT by m, which is equal to the root of 2 PV by m, the root of 2 PV by d.
D.
Okay, now that is the most probable velocity. Now relation between most probable velocity, average velocity, RMS velocity. Relation between most probable velocity, average velocity, and RMS velocity. That is, UMP east, U bar east, URMS is equal to. What is the UMP? We have 2RT by m. East, average velocity 8RT by 5m. East, and the root of 3RT by m. Okay. So in all RT by m is common. So then ratio you will get UMP is U bar is URMS is equal to root 2 east, root 8 east, root 8 by 5 east, root 3. This is one R. Divide with the root 3. UMP is U bar is URMS is equal to. So what we are getting? Divide with the root 3. Here root 3, if you divide, then you will get 0.816 east, 0.928 east, 1. Now calculator. Okay.
Dictate that last line, sir. 0. Sir, not visible that last line, sir.
Yes, sir.
This one,
Sir,
So
last
right
line.
bit dark.
UMP is U bar is URMS equal to 0.816 east, 0.928 east, 1.
So 0.928 or 6, sir.
8. Okay.
So what's that say? Root 2 is to something root by 2.
What?
So that second formula, second relation, you just
Sir, root
dictate
8
root
by
2
pi.
is 2.
Root
Sir,
2.
root 8 by pi, right, sir?
Root 8 by pi. Okay, so now relation between most probable velocity and RMS velocity, average velocity and RMS velocity. That one also you write. Here you see this. UMP is to U RMS. This U RMS is equal to what you are getting? 0.816 is to 1. So that means UMP by URMS is equal to 0.816 by 1. Right now?
So right
Yeah.
into this, sir.
UMP by
Sir.
URMS equal to 0.816.
Sir, right little darker, sir.
Yes, sir, and bigger.
Visible, sir.
Sir, light dark and bit big.
Now clear? UMP equal to 0.816 into
Yes, sir.
URMS. So this is the relation between most probable velocity and RMS velocity.
Of 8 by pi divided by root 3 will get 0.921, sir.
To 1. 0. Up to 0.92, okay, no problem. Like that, one more relation between average velocity and RMS velocity is U bar is equal to 0.921 into U RMS. So these relations you must remember for the calculation of numerical problems. Sometimes they will use most probable velocity. So in last exam I given no. Most probable velocity given, RMS velocity asked. Like that. Like that average velocity and RMS velocity. So similarly, relation between most probable velocity and RMS velocity. How much you are getting? What relation you are getting? You see. Check. UMP is URMS is equal to 0.816 by 0.921. Right now? What you are getting? Check it.
Sir, that is U MP by U bar, no, sir.
Huh?
What's that
Sir, you
0?
should take mu bar, no, sir, not mu RMS.
U bar. So U bar means
Sir, we'll get 0.8859, 0.88.
859 means 886. U M P by U bar equal to 0.8. So therefore, U M P is equal to 0.886 to U bar. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Done, sir. Right.
Just a second, sir.
All Manish.
What's the second equation? Can you see it once?
Huh?
The second line.
U M P by U bar equal to 0.886. Saving mode. So now what is the order of molecular speeds? Order of molecular speeds. What is the order now?
Sir, U MP, U bar, URM.
Is more increasing order or decreasing order, whatever. First we tell me increasing order.
URMS is great.
URMS.
URMS greater than U bar greater than UMP. Right now? So this is the decreasing order. UMP less than U bar less than URMS. Increasing order. Okay? Next, kinetic gas equation. Kinetic gas equation. Here we have kinetic molecular theory of gases, no? So for the postulates of kinetic molecular theory, there is a mathematical expression. A derivation of mathematical expression for the kinetic gas equation is PV equal to 1 by 3 Mn U RMS. square it is. Got it now? Mathematical expression for the kinetic postulates of kinetic molecular theory is known as kinetic gas equation. Once repeat. Mathematical expression for the postulates of kinetic molecular theory of gases is known as kinetic gas equation. That is PV equal to 1 by 3 mn URMS square. Okay.
So repeat once more, sir, the sentence.
Repeat, sir. Mathematical expression.
Mathematical expression of postulates of kinetic molecular theory. Postulates of kinetic molecular theory is known as kinetic gas equation. Kinetic gas equation. Okay. So next line you write, that is PV equal to 1 by 3 mn URMS square. This is the kinetic gas equation, where m is the m equal to, where P equal to pressure of gas, V equal to volume of gas, m equal to mass of gas molecule. See that difference is there. Gas is different, gas molecule is different. M equal to number of moles of gas, U RMS is equal to RMS velocity. RMS velocity. RMS velocity. Okay. But here m is the RMS velocity, the mass of the gas molecule. There is a number of moles of gas. Okay. The number of moles of gas molecules. If the number of gas molecules is n, the mass of gas is m, then which will give the molar mass, that is the capital M. The number of gas molecules. Gas molecules. From this, m n equal to capital M. Right? Therefore, PV equal to 1 by 3 m U RMS square. Here what I am doing, multiplying with 2 and dividing with 2. Then the value of this equation won't be changed. So 2 by 2 into 1 by 3 m U RMS square. And PV equal to, this one I am writing like 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 mu RMS square. Okay. So, but 1 by 2 mu RMS square. If you know the velocity of gas molecule, here what we are having, RMS velocity and mass, then which is known as the kinetic energy of that gas molecule. Right now? So, therefore, PV equal to 2 by 3 1 by 2, 2 by 3 Ke, 2 by 3 Ke. Since 1 by 2 m capital M, RMS square is equal to kinetic energy. So from this, therefore kinetic energy is equal to T by 2 PV. 3 by 2 PV. But for ideal gas, what is the PV? PV equal to nRT.
NRT.
Therefore, kinetic energy is equal to what we are getting formula here. Therefore, kinetic energy equal to 3 by 2 nRT. So this is the kinetic energy of the gas molecule. That is 3 for the n moles of gas. For the n moles of gas. If n equal to 1, this side you wrote now?
Yes, sir. Right side
Sir.
written.
Okay. For 1 mole of gas, that is n equal to 1. For 1 mole of gas, kinetic energy is, that is n equal to 1. Therefore, KE equal to, if n equal to 1, what you will get? That is 3 by 2 RT. So this is the kinetic energy for 1 mole of gas. This is the kinetic energy for n moles of gas. Copied?
Sir, what is that, sir? M first step here. Left
Yes.
side. First one, sir.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Mn. M into n. Kinetic gas equation. What I given the kinetic gas equation? PV equal to 1 by 3 Mn U square. Right now? So
Yes,
this
sir.
Mn. N is the number of gas molecules. M is the mass of gas molecule. Okay, if you multiply that, what you will get? Molar mass only, na?
Yes, sir.
Molecular weight of that gas. So that's Mn equal to M I wrote here. So these formulas you have to remember. This is the kinetic energy for n moles of gas. That is the kinetic energy for 1 mole of gas. Copied?
One minute.
Okay, na? Completed? Okay. Now, for 1 molecule of gas, kinetic energy is KE. KE is. This is for 1 mole of gas. Okay, na? KE is for 1 mole of gas. 1 mole means how many number of gas molecules? Avogadro number of gas molecules. That is Na.
Yeah.
Okay. if we were required for 1 molecule of gas, divide with the Avogadro number. So that is, therefore KE is equal to 3 by 2 R by N into T. Okay, na? So this is the 1 molar gas. So which can be written as KE equal to 3 by 2 KT. So where K is known as a Boltzmann constant. Since here K equal to R by N. K equal to R by N. K is Boltzmann constant. Okay. So this value is equal to 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 joules per Kelvin. Yes, minus 23. Okay. R by N you take. R value is 8.314 joules per Kelvin per mole. Right now, divided by Avogadro number. Then you will get approximately 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 joules per Kelvin per mole. So that is the Boltzmann constant. So this equation is for the kinetic energy for 1 molecule of gas.
Sir, repeat that Boltzmann constant value, sir.
1.38. There I wrote now.
Sir, not
Sir, it is
visible,
not
sir.
clearly visible, sir.
1.38 into 10 power 23 minus 23. 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 joule per Kelvin per mole. Okay, students. So tomorrow I will continue.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.